Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best freezing mat is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for pet owners looking to keep their furry friends cool and comfortable during warmer months, offering a simple yet effective solution to combat overheating and provide a much-needed respite from the heat. This innovative product is designed to absorb and dissipate your pet's body heat, creating a soothing and refreshing surface that encourages relaxation and prevents discomfort, making it an indispensable tool for any dog owner who prioritizes their pet's well-being and happiness, especially during those sweltering summer days when finding relief can be a challenge. Number 5. Dog Cooling Mat. Introducing the ultimate solution for hot summer days. This mat provides instant cooling relief for your furry friends. Crafted from premium, non-toxic, and eco-friendly materials, it ensures a safe and comfortable experience for your pets and family. Experience a refreshing cool sensation without the need for electricity. It's a smart and energy-efficient way to stay cool. Maintenance is a breeze. This mat is machine washable and easy to clean, making it perfect for repeated use. Use it anywhere, on floors, sofas, in cars, or pet beds. Its foldable design makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Give your pet the gift of comfort this summer. They'll love lounging on this cool and refreshing pad. What we like? This mat offers a refreshing feel with its premium self-cooling fabric, perfect for those hot summer days. It's also double-sided for extended use and incredibly easy to clean. If you're looking for a simple, safe, and washable cooling solution for your pet, this is a great choice. What people say. The mat is a great size and my dog loves it. It's easy to clean and my dog stays cool on it. This mat is perfect for hot days and my dog enjoys lying on it. Number 4. Hertzko Dog Mat and Chew Toy Set. Introducing the Hertzko Dog Mat and Chew Toy Set, your pet's ultimate solution for staying cool and entertained. This value pack is designed to keep your furry friend comfortable, even on the hottest days. Our mat features innovative gel technology that activates with pressure, providing up to 3 hours of cooling relief. It recharges quickly without any power source, making it incredibly convenient. Designed for pets up to 55 pounds, this cooling mat offers soothing comfort for both small and medium dogs and cats. It's ideal for keeping them cool after playtime or during warm weather. Crafted from tough, water-resistant materials, this mat is built to last. Its lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for use anywhere, whether indoors, outdoors, or while traveling. But that's not all. This set also comes with a fun chew toy to keep your pet entertained and encourage active play. It's the perfect combination for endless fun and relief. Give your pet the gift of comfort and fun with this essential set. It's the ideal way to help them beat the heat and enjoy their day to the fullest. What we like? Experience the innovative cooling gel technology that provides up to 3 hours of cooling and recharges quickly. Plus, it comes with a fun chew toy to keep your pet entertained. If your pet needs a cool down and some playtime, especially for small to medium dogs, this combo is ideal. What people say. The mat is a great size and my dog loves it. It's easy to clean and my dog stays cool on it. This mat is perfect for hot days, my dog enjoys lying on it. Number 3. Green Pet Shop Cool Pet Pad, Extra Large Blue. Introducing the ultimate solution for keeping your furry friends comfortable. This innovative mat provides a soothing, chilled sensation to help them relax, especially in warmer weather or homes without air conditioning. Our unique gel formula activates with your pet's weight, delivering instant cooling without the need for water, electricity, or refrigeration. It automatically recharges itself, ready for use whenever your pet needs it. Perfect for use anytime, this mat offers immediate relief from heat. It's especially beneficial for senior pets, those with medical needs, or any animals seeking a cool spot to rest. Easily place it on the floor, sofa, or inside their crate or bed. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it ideal for taking on the go, ensuring comfort wherever you travel. Keeping it fresh is effortless. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth as needed. Please avoid direct sunlight to ensure its cooling performance remains optimal. What we like? This is the original self-cooling mat, pressure activated and requiring no water or electricity. It's designed for larger pets, up to 80+ lbs, offering immediate relief. If you have a big dog or a pet with medical conditions needing consistent cooling, this mat is a fantastic option. What people say. The mat is a good size and my dog seems to like it. It's not too thick, so it doesn't take up too much space. This mat is great for keeping my dog cool on hot days. It doesn't require any water or refrigeration, which is a huge plus. I love that this mat is easy to clean. I just wipe it down with a damp cloth and it's good as new. Number 2. ZONPEN 2-pack mini round silicone dog treat molds. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, this baking mold ensures your pet's treats are made with their health in mind. It's a safe and reliable choice for all your baking needs. This mold is designed to withstand high temperatures, up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for use in ovens. It's also freezer safe, offering incredible versatility for your culinary creations. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup with this non-stick silicone mold. It's reusable and easy to maintain, making it a practical choice for both home bakers and commercial use. Achieve healthier results with even heat distribution. Its non-stick surface allows grease and oil to drain away, ensuring your baked goods are as healthy as they are delicious. Beyond dog treats, this mold is perfect for creating chocolates, jellies, candies, and more. Let your creativity flow and make perfectly shaped sweet treats for any occasion. What we like. This silicone mold is designed for creating mini round dog treats, perfect for baking homemade goodies. It's made from food-grade silicone and is safe for both ovens and freezers. If you love baking custom treats for your dog and want perfectly sized, easy-to-release cookies, this mold is a must-have. What people say. Good quality and flexibility. Easy to use. These are perfect for baking training treats for my small dog. They are flimsy to make it easier to pop out the treats after baking, but you must use a large baking sheet under them. Works great. Freeze yogurt and pop them out and into freeze dryer. Number 1. Easy Dog Biscuit Recipes, Homemade Dog Treats Book. Discover how easy it is to make healthy and delicious dog biscuits right in your own kitchen. This book is your guide to creating the best homemade treats for your furry friend. Learn to use silicone baking mats and molds for perfect, mess-free results every time. It's the simplest way to bake homemade dog cookies that your pet will adore. Create nutritious treats using wholesome ingredients you can trust. Say goodbye to store-bought snacks and hello to fresh, homemade goodness. Explore a wide range of easy-to-follow recipes designed for all skill levels. From simple biscuits to fun-shaped cookies, there's something for every dog. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This recipe book is perfect for any dog owner who loves to spoil their pet with homemade goodies. Give the gift of delicious, healthy treats. Baking homemade dog treats has never been easier. Follow our simple instructions and enjoy the satisfaction of creating special snacks for your beloved companion. What we like. This is a recipe book focused on making homemade dog treats using silicone baking mats. It guides you through creating healthy, delicious cookies for your furry friend. If you're a pet owner who enjoys baking and wants to provide nutritious, homemade snacks, this book is your perfect guide. What people say. Wonderful recipes and easy to make. I found it very difficult to find recipes online from different sources, so it was nice to have everything in one place. I just got a dehydrator because I've been making so many. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.